Welcome to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the Acer Chromebook Spin 2023, a versatile 2-in-1 laptop that's making waves in the tech world. In this video, we'll cover all the key features and specifications of this laptop to help you make an informed decision. The Acer Chromebook Spin 2023 features an 11.6-inch HD touchscreen with IPS technology. The display has a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, delivering sharp visuals with vibrant colors. It also boasts Corning Gorilla Glass, making it durable and damage-resistant. Powering this Chromebook is the MediaTek MT8183C processor, an 8-core CPU that can clock up to 2.0 GHz. With 4 GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, it provides sufficient power for multitasking and smooth performance. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone on the go. This Chromebook runs on Google Chrome OS, designed for modern computing. It offers access to thousands of apps, built-in protection, and cloud backups. Expect fast performance, regular updates, and user-friendly simplicity. The Chromebook Spin 2023 boasts a day-long battery, providing up to 16 hours of usage on a single charge. Ideal for long work or study sessions without needing to worry about finding an outlet. It comes with a 5-in-1 value pack bundle, including wireless earbuds, a mousepad, HDMI cable, USB cable, and a wireless mouse. The laptop has a variety of ports, including USB 3.1 Type-C, USB 2.0 Type-A, and a headphone-microphone combo. It also supports wireless AC 802.11a/b per gram NAC and Bluetooth connectivity. The Chromebook is ultra-light, weighing only 2.31 pounds, and measures 11.42 by 8.11 by 0.74. Its slim and compact design makes it perfect for travel or carrying to school or work. The Acer Chromebook Spin 2023 is priced at $229, making it an affordable option. For warranty information, please check the product details on Amazon. In summary, the Acer Chromebook Spin 2023 is a versatile and budget-friendly 2-in-1 laptop with impressive features. With its HD touchscreen, powerful processor, long battery life, and included accessories, it's a great choice for various users. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable Chromebook, this one deserves serious consideration. That wraps up our review of the Acer Chromebook Spin 2023. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. If you have any questions or comments about this Chromebook, please leave them below, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.